Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from Group J and we will present about memory management. Enjoy! Okay, now I'm going to present about swapping. Swapping is a mechanism in which a process can be swapped separately out of a main memory to secondary storage and make the memory available to other processes. At some later time, the system swaps back the process from the secondary storage to main memory. True performance is usually affected by swapping process, but it helps in running multiply and big processes in parallel, and that's the reason swapping is also known as a technique for memory compression. The total time taken by swapping process includes the time it takes to move the entire processes to a secondary disk and then to copy the process back to the memory, as well as the time the process takes to reject main memory. Let us assume that the user process is of size 2048 KB. On the standard hard disk where swapping will take place has a data transfer rate around 1 MB.
To talk about segmentation. Segmentation is a memory management technique in which each job is divided into several segments of different size, one for each module that contains pieces that perform related functions. Each segment is actually a different logical address space of the program. When a process is to be executed, its corresponding segmentation are loaded into non-contiguous memory. Thus, every segment is loaded into a contiguous block of available memory. Segmentation memory management works very similar to paging, but here segments are of variable length, whereas in paging, pages are of fixed size.
My term, fragmentation meaning process are loading and removed from memory. Fragmentation have two types. Two types. External and internal. Okay. External fragmentation about total memory space is enough to satisfy a request or to recite a process in it, but it is not contiguous, so it cannot be used. Internal fragmentation is memory block assigned to process is big, so some portion of memory is left unused as it cannot be used by another process.
Okay, now paging. A computer can address more memory than the amount physically installed on the system. This extra memory is actually called virtual memory, and it is a section of a hard disk set up to emulate the computer's RAM. Paging technique plays an important role in implementing virtual memory. Paging is a memory management technique in which process address space is broken into blocks of the same size called pages. Size is power of 2 between 512 bytes and 8192 bytes. The size of the process is measured in the number of pages. Memory is divided into small fixed-size blocks of physical memory called frames, and the size of a frame is kept the same as that of a page to have optimum utilization of the main memory and to avoid external fragmentation.
We are from Group
J.
and that's all from us. I hope you guys can understand the meaning of memory management. Bye! Hi, we are from Group